Okinawa has been on my bucket list for some time, and I finally scratched it off thanks to a friend and fellow gift wrapping artist, Yoko. Okinawa, originally named Ryukyu, is located southwest of mainland Japan, about 2.5 hours from Tokyo by plane. Known for its beautiful beaches and nature, Okinawa has warmer weather throughout the year and is a vacation destination for many Japanese people. The first place we visited was the Kouri Ocean Tower. It's located on a tiny island in the northern part of Okinawa. We drove over the Kouri Bridge that offers amazing 360-degree views of the blue ocean. Upon admission, we were guided to a self-driving cart going upwards to the entrance of the tower. Along the way, we've admired the breathtaking views and various trees and flowers that are native to the island. Once at the top of the tower, we could take the full view of the ocean. The shades of blue and green were so calming and relaxing. One of the local dishes we wanted to try was soki soba. It's a soup with thick flat noodles topped with soki, pork spare ribs, and chopped green onion. The shima togarashi, spicy sauce made from the local peppers, packs a quiet punch. Since I cannot eat meat, I tried the vegetable version, and it was equally delicious. We also tried shima rakkyo. It's a pickled Japanese leek that goes well with soki soba. After that, a local lady recommended visiting the Daruma temple, so we decided to go there. Daruma was a monk who introduced the Zen philosophy to China around the 6th century, a philosophy which eventually bloomed in Japan. Daruma dolls portray him with a red robe, his trademark color. The doll resembles a roly-poly toy, which bounces back no matter how many times it's pushed over. Such dolls were displayed throughout the temple with the message Nanakorobi Yaoki, meaning fall 7 times, get up 8 times, a metaphor of the ability to overcome hardships in life over and over again. At the end of the path in the temple, there was a little table with special paper on it. Visitors can write down anything they wish to let go of. Then the piece of paper is released in a little water fountain. It's said that when the paper dissolves, the wish shall be granted. One of the most exciting things to experience was making Ryukyu glass at the Okubara glass factory in the local craft museum. Visitors can choose what they want to make from a selection of glasses, colors, and designs. I decided to make blue glasses representing the oceans of Okinawa. The glassmaking artisan helped to make a small sphere by wrapping melted glass around the blowing rod. When the air was blown through the rod, a small sphere becomes the size of a small cup, which was then further shaped with the help of a mold. The artisan quickly dipped the hot glass in water, creating a glittery crack pattern. This was what Yoko and I chose for our glass designs. Handling the metal tongue while rolling the glass with the other hand is not easy, so we had further help from the experts. It took another 24 hours until the glasses were ready, and the outcome was absolutely beautiful. I love the colors and shapes, a perfect souvenir. Now, let's wrap this gift together. I will use Okinawa-style Tenugui to create a fabric wrapping, decorated with a wooden tag saying arigato, thank you. By wrapping the gift with it, the Tenugui and the wooden tag also became additional gifts that the recipient can continue using. The Tenugui is a little different from furoshiki. It's usually thinner and has a long rectangle shape. The one I'm using here has been hand-dyed in Okinawa. I fell in love with the bright color and the cute motif. Not to mention, it complements the color of the glasses. To wrap 2 glasses with the Tenugui, first, turn the Tenugui upside down. Place 2 glasses at the center and gently lay them down. Cover the bottom and top fabric over the glasses. Then stand them up, making sure any excess fabric at the bottom is neatly tucked under the glasses. Tie a knot at the top using the side fabric. I'm using Ecofriendly Raffia to attach the wooden tag. The beautiful calligraphy art is designed by Miyu, an award-winning Japanese calligrapher. The tag is made of 100% Japanese cedar wood. The subtle scent of the cedar brings an earthy ambience, perfect for this package. You can check out the materials I used in this wrapping and where to get them in the description below. If you ever visit Okinawa, I totally recommend taking the Ryukyu glass making workshop to make a handmade souvenir and wrap it with Okinawan Tenugui. If not, I hope you can use this idea next time you give a gift of glasses or similar shaped items. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.